Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video on GPR. Before starting the discussion, let me introduce myself. Myself Mrinal. I'm a faculty member at national level university in India. I'm also a researcher who mainly works on the application of GPR and development of advanced modeling technique, and I generally develop software for the modeling of GPR data. So in my videos I generally don't include intro or outro. I like to keep this very simple. So the objective of doing this is that I don't want to waste any of your time by giving my introduction in the beginning of each and every video. But then if you wanted to know about the topic or about me, you may ask anything in the comments. Only for this video, this intro part is included, which will not be in the rest of the videos. Now let's talk about these videos. So these are some general concepts I am presenting. For better result, for better understanding, please read the books. Then only you can understand it properly. And if you want proper videos on GPR, write down the topic name in the comment box. And if these videos are helping you, then please do like and subscribe if you need to have more videos on GPR. So see, I'm not a YouTuber of the regular kind, but I'll try my level best to provide better knowledge. And that's it for now. Let's jump into the main topic. Take one case study, the GPR detection of archaeological targets below Merida City, Mexico. So this here they have used GSSI, SIR to the system I was using, or we have the IIT Kharagpur as GSSI SIR 3000. That means this is the control unit. Okay. And SIR2 system 2 is very old control unit, and they have used 200 megahertz and 400 megahertz monostatic antennas. Surveyed around 2 weeks, and for the GPR survey, generally one person can do the GPR survey. And for my case, I had take help of two of my staff. They were working on a project, and as they were available, that's why I take help. Otherwise, he can do, a single person can do the whole survey, but that would be much of complicated, or that will be much time taking. But it can be done. Okay. So 127 GPR transactions surveyed around 16 kilometer or 17 kilometer, 16 kilometer. So their result, this is the CMP result. The CMP I was taking, they have taken only the spacing by saying that you have the air wave here, like this. This thing has been plotted here. Then the boundary reflection will be like the hyperbolic reflection. For the CMP data, if we are doing the sounding, what you will see if you plot it, you will see first the air wave like this. That's the direct wave. Air wave means the direct wave. Okay. Then you have the first reflection boundary like this, second reflection boundary like this. Okay, by doing the hyperbolic, there is a hyperbolic matching system. So this hyperbola give you a certain velocity, and now a software is very easy to hyperbola matching. So there will be a pseudo hyperbola on it, and you will be matching it, and you will have the result, the velocity here. So this v1, v2 they have identified like this. So this is the R1 is the another one layer boundary, R2 is another layer boundary. This one. This is how a CMP data looks like. And this is the reflection profiling. So reflection profiling, and they have basically processed it. After processing, you can see up to 3.5 meter they go, and the transition zone has been identified. Fillings and the modern materials have been identified from the radar reflection. This is the archaeological survey. See how high amplitude it is. Okay. Then the transition zone, limestone bedrock, and karstic zones have been identified from the radargrams. These things, this 2D section of GPR is called radargram. If it's from seismic data, it will be seismogram. So by doing the GPR data, they have superimposed on the map, and they have found this is the archaeological, these green zones are the archaeological remains. So that's the case study of archaeological thing. And for application of GPR in the utility case, you can see that. See, this is the this is the section they have taken. This is the zoom section. Okay, this is the zoom section, and this is the actual profile. From here you have taken the zoom section. So this is the pipe. There is a pipe location, and pipe top has been identified as a high amplitude reflection. Actually, if it's a water pipe and if water flowing through it, water have a high delay dielectric constant 81. Then the surrounding, no one has that much of high dielectric constant. Not in the rock I'm talking about, in the soil. So that much dielectric constant will give you a high dielectric contrast. Due to the high dielectric contrast, you can identify the pipe top like this. Like this. This is a pipe, and this pipe top, pipe bottom has been identified. And this is how they basically identify the pipe. The cross section is a cross section you have taken parallel to the storm shore, and this is how they have identified it. This data I have taken at IIT Kharagpur, and here the noise, the parallel lines you are having here, that's the ringing noise I was talking about. The time impulse, then in the impulse data discussion, I talked to you about the ringing noise, the parallel line noises, which is coming due to some presence of some electrical currents or some other things. This noise generally generates, and it can be removed by process data also. So there is a water pipe. Okay,